Today, we're exploring 5 incredible websites you won't believe are completely free. These sites offer tools and resources that feel like they should cost money, but they don't. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Photopea.com. If you've ever wanted a Photoshop-level editor without the Photoshop price, Photopea is the answer. It runs entirely inside your browser and supports PSD files, layers, masks, blending modes, pretty much everything you expect from a professional editor. Whether you're designing thumbnails, editing photos, or creating graphics, Photopea gives you near premium features at zero cost. And the best part? There's nothing to install. Number 2. Cleanup.pictures. This website feels like magic. You upload any photo, highlight an unwanted object, and Cleanup Pictures will remove it automatically using AI. Need to erase people in the background? Remove text? Delete an entire object? It can all be done instantly with one swipe. For content creators, this tool can save hours of editing time while keeping your images clean and professional. Number 3. TinyWow.com. TinyWow is a massive toolbox of free online utilities. You get PDF converters, video tools, image editors, watermark removers, file compressors, and even AI writing tools. What makes TinyWow impressive is that every tool is fast, clean, and completely free with no watermarks. If you work with files every day, this website can replace half the apps on your computer. Number 4. Online-convert.com. Need to convert a file into any format? This site can handle almost anything: audio, video, images, ebooks, documents, even web archives. You can turn an image into a PDF, a video into an MP3, or a document into an EPUB ebook with just a few clicks. It's perfect when you don't want to download bulky software just to change a file format. Number 5. Pexels.com. If you create videos, thumbnails, or digital content, Pexels is a goldmine. It offers thousands of high-quality stock photos and videos that are completely free to use, even for commercial projects. No licenses, no credits required, and no hidden fees. Whether you need cinematic footage, aesthetic backgrounds, or professional lifestyle images, you'll find it here. These 5 websites prove that you don't always need paid software to get powerful results. From editing, converting, cleaning up photos, and finding free stock media, these tools can upgrade your workflow instantly. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips and hidden gems just like this one. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.